As a makers, we have incredible ideas and projects, but what if you don't have a 3D printer to bring them to life? That is where PCBWay.com comes to rescue. Here's how it works. Simply visit PCBWay.com, select 3D printing, upload your design, and choose from a wide range of materials and surface options that suit your project needs. They will 3D print your ideas with precision and care, and they will deliver your 3D prints right to your doorstep. Visit PCBWay.com for more details.